Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at CTSR for their December 2024 championship race on road. And this is the track layout. This car just hit the barrier, so we'll fix that for a second. We're just on open practice right now before the main start. So we've gone through 2 seeding rounds on Friday, 3 qualifier rounds today. This is Saturday. Tonight we're gonna do 1 main. Tomorrow is 2 more mains. Everyone gets triple mains in all their classes. After my 2 seeds and 3 quals, I have locked in F1 start position of P2 in the B main for F1. So the best that I can possibly do is win the B with a best 2 out of 3 mains. I'm in this race with 4 other guys, or 3 other guys I should say, 2 of them which I know and race with as part of my 110 Hobbies sponsorship team, so that's really fun. So yeah, we're gonna go out there and have some fun with F1. I'm still running the same car that I ran last year, which is the Road-Trapede F1 Evo 2 with the Red Bull body. Not many changes to it other than for this year and this season I'm running fresh CRC tires, which actually I was unsure if I could get through this with it unglued, but I did not have to glue the sidewalls, which is great. It's because for my local club on gray carpet, it actually works better just box stock. Most of the people in F1 end up gluing the sidewall to prevent traction rolls. I don't want to do that to ruin my tires yet. I have still on a borrowed servo. I ended up blowing out my servo, so I'm on a borrowed Protec servo. All the rest of the stuff is the same, but I have geared up. So I've gone from what I used to run, a 27 tooth pinion and a 73 spur. This is on 48 pitch, which is not normal for F1. Normally you're running 64 pitch. But I'm running 48 just because it's what I've had in this car ever since I started running it. Now on a 30 tooth pinion, 72 spur for an FTR of 2.4. And it's fast. And we're just trying not to crash because I can hold the full speed through the long straightaway into the sweeper. And as long as I don't have too much traction compound on my tires, I don't traction roll. But if I push it just a little bit too far, then I snap roll. So we're trying not to crash. Because the one problem with this car is that it's heavy, and the other problem with this car is once you take a hit, battery pods move, and then the battery shifts, it impacts the rear pod, and you lose speed and power. So we're gonna go to an F1 starting in P2, see if we can win this B main. All right, here we go, F1, B main of F1. And I'm not sure where everyone else is, but it's just my 3 buddies here. We're all in the same team. We're all in the same team.
I'm fat, but I'm not that fat.
Well, I'm including myself. I'm including myself because I can't count.
Way to go, Jim.
Perfect.
Faster than it did before.
All right, so
now my push is gone.
we're gonna queue up for
Who wrecked our wall now?
F1.
Is it Jim?
That was me.
Come on. Track is open, guys.
All right.
Lap.
No, I gotta warm up my tires. It's gotta be full speed to get my tires warm. All right, hot lap. All right, I didn't snap roll over. That's a good thing. The goal is to not hit anything so that my battery doesn't shift out of position. Where are you guys going?
He hasn't closed the track.
Starting in 3rd place, Jim Rogers.
Hey! Yes, yes, yes.
Starting from spot
Yes, he is 1, yes.
John Kennedy.
Hey!
And starting in 1st place for Formula 1 B main, Andrew Stevens.
All right, here we go. Starting in 2. Good luck, guys.
Let's have some fun.
Yeah, buddies. Here we go.
All right. Marshals are ready. Drivers are ready. We're going to start at the dome in less than Please start from all of our drivers.
Oh no! Well, there goes my don't hit anything plan. First to last, just like that. All right.
So after 1 minute of racing, and in first place, followed by John and Jim, overall 1.7 seconds is the gap between all three cars.
Just got to get ahead of you again without crashing this time. Oh! I almost plowed into the wall again.
So 1:30 now, 3:30 to go. Andrew, John, and Jim. Fastest lap on the track, Andrew, 12.6.
Whoa.
John, 12.5. And Jim, 13.1. Close battle for now, 0.4 seconds between Andrew and John. So Andrew and John, both coming down the straightaway. 1.3 seconds now. Between the two.
Drag race. Oh, I can't get out of the hole. I was full pin and just bogged.
John taking the lead, Andrew second, Jim is third.
Keep getting wide and the marbles down there in the corner.
I have to be careful about slowing down too much because I can't accelerate hard anymore after I hit the wall.
John's in the lead. Drew is not far behind.
Oh, just stop.
Careful, dead car on track.
Yeah, here's the center here.
Come on,
No, no.
3:30 a.m. 1:30 left. Here, 4 minutes.
Oh! Oh! Come on, Marshall, come on!
1 minute left.
Woo! Oh no!
John to come back.
1 minute. Well, this is gonna be hard. Oh!
The Red Bull is
Come on, Max! Come on, Max!
5 seconds left.
seconds left. Andrew's in the lead. John is second. John is on a mission. 20 seconds left. Maybe 2 laps.
15 seconds left.
Oh! I think you got it.
And the last one.
Oh! Hey! Right on, buddy. Good run. Congrats.
Thanks, buddy.
Nice. Second, I'll take it. All right, guys, that was F1, second place. It's just X-Ray 2024, right?
That's correct.
Yep. X-Ray 2024 has been tuning it all day. It's fast. They're gonna stay off the wall. They didn't do it. All right, we're going out for the F1 B3 main. This is gonna be the last chance to try and get a double first win. So I finished second and then first. And we've got one more chance to get first again for a B first place win for this final race of this event here at CTSR December 2024 in F1. F1 B3 practice lap.
Marshall, you see? Same word, both languages.
I didn't want to hit you. Marshals are ready. Drivers are ready. We are starting that on the total in less than 5 seconds.
I'm pulling a Verstappen. Marbles over there.
Oh, yep.
Try now.
You reeled me in pretty damn fast though. Whoa.
The last thing I want to do is hit your legs.
After 1 minute of racing, we have John in first place, followed by Andrew and
Whoa! Good try, good try.
Go, 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 go.
Thank you.
I didn't mean to. Those are too aggressive.
So for the fast lap starts.
It's hard to break. I know it's hard to break.
Andrew qualified at 10:35. 3:30 to go. Probably gonna count up line. Watching Jim. You have the leader behind you. Go down. Thank you. John, Andrew, and Jim. John has a 1.1 second lead over Andrew. Leader is the blue car with the Red Bull logo on it.
Oh no!
Inside the sweeper. It's clear.
It's all yours, Mike.
John is looking for a challenge. There you go. We will. It's all about this show. It's all about the show.
Yeah, but when you keep your lines clean, you're faster than I am on per lap.
One here. Oliver. We still got our battle for first. 24 seconds.
Oh, come on, Sean.
I want to keep you close.
1 minute left.
1 minute to 5.
Whoa!
And who takes first place? Will he hold it for the last 50 seconds?
45 seconds left.
I looked up to see what the hell crashed my car.
Countdown, 30 seconds to go.
Oh! Oh!
Nice move by Andrew right there. 20 seconds.
Oh, there it is.
No error for John
10
here.
seconds left.
Oh, my car's big tweaked. Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Race to the line, race to the line. Everybody finish.
Good race.
Overall, Andrew John in that order for the picture.
All right, congrats to Drew for winning the B. Yeah, buddy, that was fun. I legitimately ruined it at the end for myself. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
It was fun to watch you guys crash. I crashed my car because I looked up to like see.
Followed you right in.
45 seconds left.